Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, so it's war on the Real Housewives of Durban, right? Londi London decided ukuthi she is going to deal with Umini precisely. Now, this is what we got. An order or her lawyers issued Umini with this. Saying, point number 1, the above matters bear a reference. We confirm that we act on behalf of Miss Londiwe Zulu, hereafter referred to as our client, and whose instructions we write this letter for your good selves. So this letter is aimed at Umini, right? I am jumping to the great part. Point number 7. On about 11 July 2025, Gagasi FM released a statement alleging that you have apologized to cast members. Our client denies receiving an apology from you before the release of the statement. Meaning the apology went from one person to another. Remember, the apology went to this person and this person and this person. And Ulondi still says she has not received the apology. Now, point number 9 ET. On or about 12 July, you sent our client an SMS purporting to be an apology. Still, in this message, you refer to Gagasi FM, which again clearly reiterates that it was sent to save your working relationship with them and not necessarily apologize in truth and in spirit. Sorry because ufuna ukubamba umsebenzi. Then point number 10, it is our instruction that to date you have not sincerely apologized to our client for your defamatory remarks and assaults. All right. Sithi indaba incane, right? It's okay, fine. Ulondi ufunani kahle kahle? Are you charging this person or what? Then Londi says, and then point number 11 says, we demand from you, as we hereby do, that you record a sincere video apology, which you should send to us and post on all your social media accounts by 17:00 on Wednesday, 16 July. Failing which, we hold instructions to sue for damages and open an assault case with the South African Police Service. We trust the above is in order and await your urgent response. Guys, I personally did not want to report on this until it was 5 o'clock to see where the video is and possibly put the video, attach it to this one so that zikale much. Nah. There's no video coming into fine. I don't follow her on social media, right? But I thought if there is something that she said, X would give us Twitter, right? If there is something that she says, definitely TikTok will tell us. Somebody from TikTok will post and we will see the news. But guys, simile lana echoritane abanye ba iyawela kuwela thina buza ukuthi wakuwela thina because umini Ntuli silence sana upholile mini ki silence in court ki magistrate ki judge Judy. At this point, I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm so excited. Okara, it's something positive, but it's not. Guys, what's going to happen? What do you think will be the conclusion of the Londi London and Mini drama? Do you think that Umini has that much pride to apologize? Do you think Ugusi, her hate is so big and her arrogance is so big that she would rather risk going to prison than saying, I am sincerely sorry for what I've done? Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe while you're at it. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.